Okay, just another quick tip. I'm now fitting these drawers in here, and if you look at the drawer, there's a little hole on each side. You know that's the back. Now, in here, on the runners on each side, there's a little hook over there and a little hook over there, and that hook goes into those holes. Now you gotta lift it up, slide it in there, get those holes, and then if you get it in right, that one's not in, that's in crooked. So I got to get it in straight. But then it self-closes. See, when you get it perfect, the bottom one's all right. So I've got to make sure those go all the way back. No, you got to do it with two hands, but that's the trick. Just getting the thing on the folds.